Hey, so if WeTransfer is not opening in your browser, yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially when you need to send or download files quickly and the page just won't load. In this guide, I'll walk you through simple steps to fix this problem. First, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable because a weak connection can stop the site from loading properly. Next, try refreshing the page. Yeah, sometimes it's just a temporary glitch and a quick refresh can fix it. If that doesn't work, clear your browser cache and cookies, since corrupted data can block websites from loading correctly. You should also disable any browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, because they can interfere with how the site works. Another quick fix is to try opening WeTransfer in a different browser, just to see if the issue is browser-specific. If you're using a VPN, turn it off temporarily, as it can sometimes block access to certain websites. In some cases, the issue might be on WeTransfer's side, so if their servers are down, you may need to wait a bit and try again later. And finally, restart your browser or even your device to clear any temporary system issues. So, that's how to fix WeTransfer not opening in your browser. One of these steps should help you get back on track quickly. Hey,